making cars out of toilet paper roll cardboard. We're gonna use these flat cardboards for the wheels. We already cut them in little circles. We just use a jar to make the circles, and then we're gonna paint these. Kyle is painting his red. I'm gonna paint mine.
Mommy,
yes.
Can Kyle paint me?
I'm gonna paint mine blue.
What about the wheels?
Wheels? You can paint that black. Here, I'll give you a new brush. You want the black one?
Can you put all the colors? Can you put all the colors
all
here?
The colors? Well, all the colors.
Can you put all these colors here? What about blue?
Blue? I'm gonna paint mine blue.
You want Kyle to get blue?
Which one? You want blue for your car? Okay, you can put blue on your car.
What about red and then
okay.
Red and
you
then
can do multicolor, whatever you want.
How do you make purple? I'm just making purple.
Do you want to make purple?
Yeah.
Okay, we can make purple.
How do you make it darker? Do you make darker with purple? This one and this one and this one. Kyle is making some cars.
Okay, do you want to paint that one purple? That red one?
This red
or
one.
you want to make it
just red?
You can paint the wheels black. You want to paint the wheels black?
Wheel black.
Okay, here, I'll help you. I'm going to paint some of them.
You make it purple.
Okay, you can make it.
Mom, what's that color?
It's brown.
Mom, what color is on the other side?
That one is kind of like brown.
You flip it to the other side. You flip it with your brushes.
You only need one side. You want the other side too?
Yeah.
Okay.
What color is the other side?
The other side is just the color of cardboard.
Mommy, Kyle got a good job painting.
He did.
What color are you painting? Mommy?
Yes?
Mommy, that color is full.
That one is full?
Is it full? Together. Red and black and blue, purple, pink. Mommy, Kyle making mud. Mommy, can Kyle
tie-dye.
Mommy, can Kyle make mud?
You can make mud.
You wanna paint a muddy color?
Okay, you can paint a muddy color. You're gonna make a little flap here on top. Can you see this one? If I make a flap here.
What if you pour this into water? What if you pour this into water? What if you pour this into water?
Don't waste it, boo-boo. I'm gonna make a little hole.
What if we do it into... Oh, this... What if you waste it?
What if you waste it?
What if you put it in the cup?
Uh-oh. I think you have to wait till it's completely dry because it's a little wet.
Mommy, is it muddy mud color?
When the paint is dry, we can hole punch the little wheels.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's
decorate it,
kind of centered.
Can I decorate it?
You can decorate it.
Yeah. And then decorate.
We did one side. We put the fastener here. Here, you can put this one. We're gonna put that wheel. So you're gonna put this, open this up.
Yeah.
You're gonna go here. And then open it up on the other side.
Mommy, are you making
that?
Mommy, can you hold
We
it?
have to get another one, but this one's stuck. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's
decorate it,
kind of centered.
Can I decorate it?
You can decorate it.
Yeah.
We can get it out. Oh.
Whoa! Wait a minute. This is stuck.
There.
Okay.
Whichever stickers you want.
Is it
I'm gonna
this
put
one?
wheels on it.
What about this one?
That one? No, look at nice one.
This not a nice one.
That's not even a whole sticker.
It's not a whole sticker.
Is that a whole sticker?
No. Here we go. This is a whole sticker. Mine, this a whole sticker?
Yes.
There.
There, that's a finished one.
Can it
Did it
go?
fall? There.
Can it go?
It can go, but it's not really. It's just really pretend.
Can
Because
you,
the wheels spin a little bit, but it's not going to be, because it's cardboard.
what about on the floor?
Yay!
What about
Here.
on the floor? What about the floor?
Here's the finished product.